Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Kartra Partner Portal Sign-in, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Kartra Partner Portal, start by navigating to the Kartra Partner Portal website. Enter the URL in your browser's address bar and press enter. Once the page has loaded, locate the sign-in section. You will see fields for your email address and password. Begin by entering the email address associated with your Kartra account. Next, move to the password field and type in your password. Ensure that your password is entered correctly, taking note of any capitalization. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. After entering your email and password, look for the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Partner Portal dashboard. If you encounter an error message, double-check the email and password you entered. Make any necessary corrections and try signing in again. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the available resources and tools within the Partner Portal. If you have any further issues, consult the help section or reach out to customer support. Now you should be successfully signed in to the Kartra Partner Portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.